Question number 4. What do you know about the academic achievements of Allama Iqbal? After completing his early education from Sialkot, Allama Iqbal went to Government College Lahore in 1895. He passed MA in 1899 from the University of Punjab. Then he left for England for higher studies and got law degree from London. Munich University awarded him PhD degree for his work on Persian philosophy. Question number 5. What was Allama Iqbal's political role in the creation of Pakistan? Answer. Allama Iqbal took an active part in politics and worked day and night for the Muslims of South Asia along with Quaid-e-Azam. Courageously, he was elected as the president of the Punjab branch of All India Muslim League. In his address in Allahabad in 1930, he made a definite demand for a separate state of the Muslims of South Asia. For the Muslims of South Asia. So these are the achievements of Allama Iqbal and his political career. Question number 6. What did Allama Iqbal say about Islam in his presidential address in 1930? Answer. Allama Iqbal said, I have learned one lesson from the history of the Muslims. At difficult moments in their history, it is Islam that has saved Muslims and not Muslims that have saved Islam. If today you put your faith in Islam, you will become strong and united once again and save yourself from complete destruction. Number 7. Write few sentences on Allama Iqbal. Answer. Allama Iqbal was a great poet, philosopher and politician. He believed that faith in Islam made the Indian Muslims one nation, separate and apart from the Hindus. He always advised Muslims to remain true to their faith. He played a major role in the creation of Pakistan. His famous books are Bange Dara, Zarbe Kalim, Bale Jibrail, Shikwa Jawab Shikwa. Question number 8. How was Pakistan resolution passed? The Pakistan resolution was passed in Lahore by All India Muslim League on March 23, 1940. This resolution represent the demand of creating independent Muslim majority state. So these are the question answers.